Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove background in CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Now you have to select one of your projects, or you can start a new one if you click on that plus icon. I'm going to use this one, and now you have to select that part of the project that you would like to edit, and at the bottom you have to select the cutout option, and here you can see the remove background option. Click on it, and now you can click on the cutout stroke option. Here you have some pro options and some free options. You can select the color, the size, the distance, and texture. You can see that you can turn off and on the cutout, so if you do not like it, you can redo it. And I'm going to show you that you can customize your cutout as well. Here the quick brush option is for pro users, but you can select the brush or wipe option, and you can select the brush size, and then you can select manually the section that you would like to keep, and you can see that the rest is deleted from the image. So this is how you can remove background in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.